Okay, one more thing. So since we are talking about that, okay, communication is important. We can figure it out how we can write the queries with the help of ChatGPT and everything. So here one more question comes. We are seeing that ChatGPT can help us in writing the whole queries, and this AI things is coming up into the picture.
Yeah.
So what we can see in terms of having the impact of these tools or maybe these AI models in the roles which we have in the data field.
Okay. So to be honest, I'm also using ChatGPT and all these AI tools a lot in my day-to-day work, right?
Mm-hmm.
But it is helping me because I already know what I do, right?
Mm-hmm.
If I don't know, let's say if I start some project on Java and I don't know
Mm-hmm.
Java, I have not studied
Mm-hmm.
Java, right? And if I start asking question that give me this code, that code, I will mess up things for sure.
Yeah.
Because I don't know what it is writing, right? I'm just blindly believing, okay, this will be fine. ChatGPT is giving me, right? And if I want to make any changes again, I will struggle because I don't know. So if
Correct.
you think you don't know anything and ChatGPT will do, it will not, right? What it will do is, if you are 10x, it will make you 100x. You can do your work much faster if you know the things, whatever you are asking. You just need a way to speed up your things, right? Then it will help. For example, I create a lot of SQL questions for Namaste SQL platform as well, right? So before ChatGPT, we have to create data manually, right? Let's say if I need 50 records in my table for the question, to cover all the corner cases. Then manually we have to create data, right? And make sure that everything is fine. Now what happens? We tell ChatGPT, okay, so this is my question and this should be the table structure. Can you give me some data? Right?
Mm-hmm.
We will tell ChatGPT that cover all the corner cases, right? But still ChatGPT will make mistake, right? But if you see 70-80% work is done, right? We just have to do that 20-30% work to make sure all the corner cases are covered. If not, we will insert some more data. That's it, right? So if you know things, then it will speed you up. If you don't know anything, then it will be like minus. You will go in negative, right? Whatever you are doing, it will just mess up, and you will have to again take help from someone who is experienced. So learn the things, whatever field you are. Make sure your again fundamentals are clear. Then you can. Then this ChatGPT and AI can help you. Otherwise, it is of no use.
Yeah.
Especially for freshers who are learning new things, try to learn from books and practical things. Don't do ChatGPT much, right? Once you're comfortable with something, then you go to ChatGPT.
Yes, correct. So don't consider ChatGPT is going to take your job or something like that. It's just that it is there to help you.
It is
So
there
when
to
you,
help. Yeah.
yeah,
There is
when
a
you,
saying also that AI will not replace you, but the people who are using AI will replace you. Yeah.
yes, exactly. So you have to be smart. You have to use it so that your work will be less time consuming, and you will definitely able to.